Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. I'm back again with another exotic recipe, this time mutton paya. The recipe that will blow your mind and your taste buds. Paya is a heavy stew created from trotters, leg with rich gelatin marrow covered with meat. So please note down the ingredients and let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add all the clean trotters along with some onions, chopped onions, salt, and turmeric. Add in a glass of water. Cover with a lid and cook until the trotters become soft. Cook on a high flame for 8 to 10 whistles. After 8 to 10 whistles, slow down the flame and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. Open the lid when they are done and check if the trotters has become soft or not. At this point, we'll add oil and rest of the masalas. Ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, pepper powder, red chili powder, and then cook on a medium flame until the raw flavor of these masalas are gone. Add in some fried onions, we'll now cover it with a lid and on a medium flame, we'll wait for one whistle. If your paya is too soft, do not give a whistle. Keep cooking on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add in a glass of water to adjust the gravy. You can adjust the gravy according to your taste and preference. Cover again and cook until one whistle. And if your trotters are already soft and cannot bear the whistle, then cook for 2 to 5 minutes until it starts simmer and it's done. Serve the paya with chopped cilantro, lemon juice, some fried onions and green chilies. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.